Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. In this video I want to quickly instruct us on how to set up your live tags and how to perform your tags on the Boloup application. Okay, so if you can see right on my screen, I just tapped on the Boloup app, and once the app launches we are going to go through a practical step on how we can perform a task. Okay, so once the room is up, you're going to see where it says my room on the center there. Okay, if you tap on my room, it's going to show you an information to create my room. Okay, so when you have this information, create my room, all you need to do is to put your room name. So you're going to put in this space, type your room name, and then you're going to select what type of live you want to do. So we have the chat and we have the live streaming. Okay, the chat is an audio panel, while the live streaming, it's where you need to open up your camera to stream, okay, on the camera, and then you need to put information in your introduction. Okay, usually I would say anything I touch and turns to gold, or I would say love is the only gold. So whatever information you want to type inside of your room introduction, or you want to say something specifically that has to do with your person or your personality, you can just type it inside of this box and then you say okay. Okay, so I'm just going to type a few things. Room name, I will just say you see, and then I will select the chat room. Introduction, I will say love is the only gold. Okay, and then I say okay. Okay, so you see, once we type all of this information, the create room button is highlighted, and all we need to do is to tap on create room, and voila, it launches us into the chat room, and this information is telling us to upload a cover, okay, a cover page for our live stream. Okay, so the app will always prompt you whenever you create a room to upload a room cover. However, it's a choice if you want, okay, but this is okay for you to do because it's something that attracts people also to your room. Now there's a little note below your screen which says make sure your room cover does not infringe any copyright. So meaning whatever photo you're going to upload there shouldn't be one that infringes on copyright. Okay, it should comply with the platform terms of use and community guidelines, and also avoid using images which are offensive, pornographic, violent, or other inappropriate content. Okay, a room cover related to the theme or content of your chat room can help attract more target audiences. So basically, once you're streaming, there's a target audience you're looking for, people with that like minds who are going to come relate with your content while you stream. So what you need to do is to ensure, okay, that you post a proper cover. Okay, so if I tap on that, it takes me to what? It pops up information for me to upload a photo. I would just say upload. I don't want to take a photo. Let me look for something I can just upload here real quick. So I can decide to upload this particular photo. This photo, I just downloaded online from one of the Boloup applications. So I just tap on okay. So it's going to update this cover photo, and you can see successfully the photo is passed. Okay, so all I need to do is to tap on the back button, okay, and return back to my panel. Okay, now this is basically how you need to set up your room for you to start carrying out your task. If you see on the top right side of your screen, there is three lines. Okay, if I tap on that three lines, it reveals detailed informations, okay, that I can use to edit or set up my room further. Okay, example, if we go to background, you can see we have a background here which is not initially selected. So if I tap on this background, okay, it's the background for Valentine's Day, and the app is telling me wear it now. I tap on wear it now, and automatically you can see my live background changes to that background that I am wearing. If we go back to that 3 lines, okay, you can see manage room, and here you're going to see more detailed information, which includes your room cover, your room name, your room introduction, room type. So whatever information you want to change, okay, or edit, okay, after setting up your room, you can still come back and do it through these settings. Okay, next, if we tap on that again, you can see share room. For most people streaming, you want to share you know, your referral link of your live to other hosts who can, you know, probably come join you, you know, while you're streaming. So you can as well share this with your friends on WhatsApp, or if you have a WhatsApp group, and as well as your Facebook content. You can also copy the link, you know, and share to people through different other platforms, okay, as a referral link to join you while you're streaming live. Okay, so I've just canceled this, and we have one more thing, which is the manage admins. So you can also add an admin, okay, who can also help you to manage your live, okay, whenever you're streaming. This particular section will give you information of the admins that you have added. Okay, so this is how to set up your room, and I will be cutting this video here because basically the focus of this video is to instruct us on how to set up our room and to start streaming. Okay, one more thing I just have to show you is on the manage room is you can also switch your room type from the chat to live. However, I think this option is still on the beta version and is not fully launched. So I believe this video has provided the information you need to set up your room and to start streaming. And thank you very much for your time. I will see you on my next video.